stuff like that. I mean,
you got bed sheets in there?
No. Guys, we're outside the DMV here in New Jersey, about to get some plates for that Volkswagen we just picked up. It's going to be a long day. We got some special thing coming up. Stay tuned. This is a big one. So some of you must be wondering, wow, what is so special about today? Well, stay tuned, guys, because the big surprise, obviously, as you can tell, I'm in the S2000, is sitting right here with me on the passenger seat. And I will show you guys in a second what I'm talking about. 2 points I want to make, guys. So it's definitely a blast to be able to be behind the wheel of the S2000 again. Man, I missed it. It also reminds me how much attention this car still gets. I honestly covered about, I want to say 40 miles. It's going to be about 200-mile round trip for me today. But in this 40 miles, no joke, we'll try to keep count and try not to get pulled over. But I've seen 5 different cops, 2 of them following me for at least a couple of miles. Pretty interesting how, yep, we're still grabbing that kind of attention. The other point I wanted to make, as you can see, I'm having a hard time having you guys hear me because it's very noisy in this cabin. And if you're an S2000 owner, and if you know why the noise is happening, then you know what's on the passenger side seat of my car. It's a big repair, guys. It's one of the biggest repairs you'll have to make when you own one of these vehicles. Well, guys, if for some reason you might think I don't need a soft top, look at this, man. Central air, baby. No need for AC over here. I'm pretty sure I have quite literally the worst soft top S2000 in the country. Want to challenge me on that? Please drop me a comment below with a link to something that looks worse than this. As you guys know now, currently on the way to get it repaired. Oh my God. Come on, man. This car is looking so sad right now. Come on, stay in one piece, buddy. Stay there. Okay. All right, looks better. So yeah, as I was saying, it'll probably help if I open the car, right? We are, yeah, we're on our way. This is probably, most likely, the last time you guys gonna see this display of whatever. Seriously, this is not the worst one? Be honest with me.
This is not the worst.
Are you kidding me? This is like, look at this thing.
Sunroof. It was peeled back from here to here, from there to there. Peeled back.
You've ever seen guys that actually try to put, I don't know, bed sheets and stuff like that? I mean...
You got bed sheets in there?
No. Man, Jeremy says to me, the gentleman that's replacing my top, hey man, you got a little bistro bagel shop right around the corner. Yeah. A mile and a half later. Oh, wow. We take for granted transportation so much. Don't you think, guys? When was the last time any of you walked a mile and a half for a bagel? I know it's been a while for me, but I gotta say, I like it. So while this up top gets replaced, I'm over here having a little bit of a meal. You know, right around the corner, as he said, only 3 miles walking. Oh, and also, man, I'm sure you've been through this before. My apologies with the smell, because I was smelling it pretty. It's pretty strong. The when it rains inside the damn cars. Was that like a mildew or whatever? Yeah. I don't know if you smell it, but
not immediately, no.
Yeah.
You probably got it aired out on the drive down here.
My God, I was getting dizzy from it.
I'll look in the trunk too to see if there's any signs of like.
Yeah. I appreciate that. I got good intentions with this car, but You know, like, as I'm sure you know, I see that you got your own toy over here, and you know, you can only justify so much and do it at a certain speed, you know what I'm saying?
I just picked that up the other night, actually.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah.
This is nice, man.
Yeah, I sold my S2000 a couple years ago. Kids got in the way. Don't let that happen. Don't make the same mistake I did.
Yeah. All right, and that's it, guys. Appreciate it. I will put the plug on the description down below, and guys, make sure that you hit him up because he did an outstanding work.
Thanks a lot, man. Well,
Thank you.
Appreciate it, man.
See? That's what us car guys do. He's owned S2000 for 13 years and he sold it. So I saw how heartbroken he was to have done such a thing. So I just let him take it for a rip. So what do you think, man?
Oh, I miss it.
I know, right?
It drives a million times different than that thing.
Yeah.
Oh, so much fun, man.
And for the sake of comparison, guys, so this is after the top's been replaced. I'm going to play that sound, that footage from before. A blast to be able to be behind the wheel of the S2000 again. Man, I missed it. And as you guys can see, way better. Jeremy, wow. You've given this old lady a new lease in life. Thank you very much, man. I'm falling in love with this car all over again. We got the new plates. I'll be driving this guy tomorrow, but here's something you hardly ever see. Vikings Garage Fleet. Right here. We got the Volkswagen, the 4Runner, and there she is. Man, this thing came out so nice. Stay tuned, guys. More coming in the next episode. Man, I could be staring all day. And just like that, guys, we tackled another big job here on the S2000. Jeremy, I cannot thank you enough. You need a soft top replaced. You're within the tri-state area. Go check him out, revivecartops.com, and he will take care of you. Oh, by the way, Jeremy, that bagel shop, yes, you were right. It's literally like not even half a mile away from your house, and I somehow missed it. I'm an idiot. What can I say? Guys, enjoy your cars, and I will check you out on the next one.